We've created a standby database. We have enabled the daemons to take care of the automatic log shipping and log applying. And you are tasked to do a graceful switchover test. So before we can do the graceful switchover, we need to go back to our daemons and stop them. If you do not stop the daemons, you will get an error message from Dbvisit standby to say that it can't run while the daemons are running. So we're going to click on stop. And it's going to take care of the daemon process on the primary side. And then we are going to do the same for the daemon on the standby side. Cool. So if we go to the main menu and we click on Perform Graceful Switchover, here we are going to make use of the configuration again. So our configuration that we've been working with is DevDB. So I'm going to select DevDB. It's going to do some checks in the background to ensure that certain criteria is met before a graceful switchover can take place. It does a log gap report, even though there's a 2-minute time lag. As long as your transfer log gap and your archive log gap is 0, you are good to proceed with the graceful switchover. It also tells you that it's going to be disruptive, so it makes sure that you want to proceed. We are going to click Submit. It will open up a task in the task history list, and from there it will provide the necessary feedback on the process it follows.